do first by ourselves, right? That's what. I want to start with number 2. Which of the following variables is/are categorical? I got the toothpaste one. I think that's it.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Age and number are both numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
On this one, so should probably go pretty fast if we can.
Wait, sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
This quiz is quite long, is what I was saying.
Oh, okay. I actually didn't get to take it the first time because of the
States is 100. Wait, what?
I actually didn't get to take it this morning because of my internet. Kids just take it the first time alone.
Oh.
Okay.
I say if you do that, just mark false on the first one and then go back and take it
Afterwards? Okay.
Here. Does everybody have the quiz up?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay. So question 3, the mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected students took an IQ test and the mean of their score was 112. Which of the following statements is/are true?
100 is the parameter, 112 is statistic.
That's what I said.
Mm-hmm.
Any disagreements there?
Nope.
Nope.
Cool. I can read the next one.
Okay.
It says Rotham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has a very low property value, and another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect to gauge the residents' responses to proposed increase in property taxes? What I put first?
And I would say it would be simple random. And if not that, then the
I picked a stratified.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Stratified.
Makes the most sense.
Yeah. Okay. Then you get a guaranteed amount from both
Mm-hmm.
groups of people. One of you guys want to read the second one? Back there, Kristen. The next one.
I got it. When designed experiments are conducted in a public school system, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is conducted using all the students in the selected classes. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented?
I picked a cluster.
Because all of them were, all the students were conducted on. That's what I put too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ready for the next one? At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented?
Simple random.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Very response. Oh, yeah. Okay. Survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park to adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum. The researchers took a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. What type of sampling scheme was implemented?
Just stratified.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll get this next one. So the survey was taken of purchases at the crossroads. Open the data file and use this data to answer the next 3 questions. Using software, calculate the mean of the amount spent. Is it 4.77?
That's what I got. That says
And
you're
it
on
says-
3 decimal places.
That's right. 4.771.
771.
Then question 9, same thing, but this time standard deviation. 912.
1.912. Sorry, you cut out a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got that.
And then true or false, did you create a histogram?
Hmm.
1 point. Wait. So for the last one, you got 1.912.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
Okay, hold on one second. So the
How do we
mean
create a
was
histogram? I don't think we've ever done
no. The mean was 4.771.
Yeah.
Yep.
that. Yes.
Making
These are
sure.
the questions from the review.
I did not get that done. I realized because we were out exploring all day yesterday, so and I was not going to get up any earlier than I had to. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It's all good. Yeah, like
Just
this morning,
making
I wasn't able to download the review before my internet went out. So I didn't get to take the quiz beforehand, but I did the review.
No, I did the other stuff. I just haven't done this one thing yet.
It's okay.
You're good.
Yep. And Chase, you were asking about the histogram?
Yeah, so about the histogram, we've never had to make a histogram before. We don't use SPSS, which is, I assume, what the histograms were made out of before.
The histogram is on the
There's an Excel spreadsheet that can do it for you.
yeah.
Oh, really?
There should be
Yeah.
a link to it from the lesson textbook.
Hmm.
And then it takes you to a bunch of Excel links. And you'll go into a, what's it called?
It's like study help or something like that at the top.
Quantitative descriptive statistics. That's the document that you're going to open.
Yeah, and then you put the data from the crossroad purchases into the A column, and it'll do all the stats that you need.
Calculations.
All the calculations.
Okay. I will do that after then. We can move on to 11.
But yes, it is in data files, to
Mhm.
answer your question.
Okay. Okay. It says Jessica Muir and a research team measured the body temperatures of a sample of diving elephant seals. A thermistor was placed at the specific location of each seal to measure its body temperature. The body temperature of seals tend to decrease as they dive. The researchers estimated the typical body temperature of each seal at the time they initiated a dive and called this the representative temperature of the seal. Thermistors were placed in the hepatic sinus of 4 of the seals. The seal's body temperature at the start of the dive was calculated to be in this little table. Complete the following table. Use your work to answer the next 4 questions. So question 11, what is the value of a number that goes in the position marked A in the table above?
I got negative 0.165.
Yeah, that's what I got.
It's 3 decimal places. Good.
And then
Yeah.
What did you guys get? Sorry.
0.165.
And the next
Real
one,
good.
just it's the one down. So
Cool. Ready for the next one?
Mhm.
What is the value of the number that goes in the position marked B in the table above? I got 0.681.
That's what I got.
same.
Awesome. And it says, what quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviations column?
Mhm.
Where was it?
Wasn't it the variance?
I think so.
I don't remember. I put none because I wasn't sure on this one when I did the review. But yeah, if you guys feel like it's a variance,
Yeah.
I'll go with the variance. Okay. Cool. And then what is the standard deviation of these temperatures? Um, 0.715.
That's what I got.
715.
Yeah,
Mhm.
0.715.
I didn't hear you cut out. Okay. Sound like it's at 0.75.
0.75.
1.5.
1.5. Yeah.
I thought there was a 1, but then it cut out for one of you for a second when he said 1.5. So.
Yeah.
You're
When
good.
he said it the first time for me, it sounded like he said 0.75 because the one cut out.
It's my internet big
This,
guy.
like,
Sorry.
having it stream live takes a lot more, stronger connection. So it's like if we were just Google Hangouts without doing it live, or like over Skype or something, it wouldn't be so bad.
Yeah, that's probably true. I can do question 15. Under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative, which is never true. It's always false, or that's false.
No, because you square it.
Mm-hmm.
More seals.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We don't have to read all the information. We just go to the question 16.
I have to say, I'm more of a fan of the names they use in this class than my other class I did about 264 and 265. The names they use in this class is a lot better than the ones in that class because they would do like Earl Obes, so it sounds kind of like earlobes.
It's funny.
After a while, it kind of was annoying.
So this one's just asking answer to the measurements of the other seal, which location.
Mm-hmm.
Is most accurate. Yeah.
Yeah, and so
Well, consistent.
right, because the mean is about the same, and the standard deviation is like exactly the same.
Or which one did you say?
Hepatic sinus for
Because it's
16.
closer to what we took.
I can't. Are you cutting out too much? I can't hear you.
Yeah, that one looks good.
The next part. The number of hours students spent studying for an exam recorded. The data are represented in the box plot below. Use this box. 2 questions. What is the third quartile? 8.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was easy.
What percent of the day lies between 4 and 8 hours? That would be
50?
Yeah.
So we just put 50.
yeah.
Decimal. Okay.
Ooh, a long one.
That is a long one. Hmm. Estimate the mean of measured nitrate concentration in Rexburg's drinking water. Mm-hmm.
I got. You guys get 2.055.
That's what I
Yes.
got. I wasn't sure about this one.
I know, because they only gave us 2 numbers, really.
Yeah. But then it made sense to add them together and then divide it by 2 because
Yeah.
the middle is the mean.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel better about that question now.
Estimate the standard deviation of the measured nitrate concentration in Rexford's drinking water.
I got 0.233.
For the standard deviation? Hold on.
Yes.
I'm doing something.
I didn't get that.
Yeah, I didn't get that either.
I got 0.0975.
Standard deviation in one of those equations.
I got 0.685. No, 0.658. Apparently, I can't remember half the time anymore. Let's see.
I got 0.233 this morning, but I didn't write down how I got there.
So
Well,
you just solve for, because you can do it with either one of those equations, because it's the mean minus 2 of the standard deviation is equal to of those, and you get the same thing, the standard deviation of 0.223. Just solving for the standard deviation, which is the little with the squiggly line.
wait, so you took 2.25,
Mm-hmm.
say, minus the mean?
2.25?
Was it 2.25? 52, that's what I got wrong.
I don't know where
Okay.
2.25 came from.
I did a 2.25 instead of 2.52.
Oh, okay.
Let me try that again.
Do you switch devices cords?
Did you get the 2.33?
No. Let me try it again.
You take that equation in the very top where it's just like u plus 2o is equal to 2.52.
Which is
What we got for the mu 0.055, and then divide by 2.
That's 2 standard. Wait. The mean minus 2 standard deviation.
Yeah, but when you divide it by 2, you go isolate just one standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
So
I'm just like, where is like
I
okay. That makes more sense now.
And O on either one of those equations, and you'll get the same thing.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, I got it. 2.152, right?
It's 0.233.
0.233.
Throw out numbers and confuse us all. We can confuse each other here.
Right. So take 2.52 and subtract 2.055.
1.52?
2.055.
2.05. Okay, that's what I thought.
And then divide by 2.
That's 0.233. rounded,
Yep.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
That makes sense now.
Yay.
I did something else at first and that was weird. Oh well.
That's cool.
Between what two measures measured nitrate concentrations do approximately 68% of the data value lie?
Is it
The last
the last one? Yeah.
1.823 and 2.2288.
Because 68 is just one
That's the,
standard deviation away.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, okay, I'm lost. Sorry.
It's one
That
standard
was which
deviation
one
away.
again? One standard.
20. Yeah.
1 point. What did you guys get again?
The last one, 1.823.
The last one.
Uh-huh.
So you just take the mean, subtract the standard deviation from it, and then add it to it to get the two sides.
Uh-huh.
Right. Okay. I'm good.
Okay, the next one. The admissions committees for most Masters of Business Administration programs management admission test is part of the application for new students. It has been shown that the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3 and a standard deviation of 120.54. The minimum GMAT score required for admission to MACC program in the school I use is 500, but is rare for students with scores in less 600 to be admitted. What is the probability that a random student will do that? Fine.
Very little.
That's 50, right?
50.
Well, yeah, because it's the
It's the
mean.
mean. Yeah.
Mhm. I got that. So
Probably.
wait a minute. It doesn't say how to put it in. It's just 50.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think it would be. Let's see. Let's see if it's at the top. Yeah.
Doesn't say anything.
That last probability, it was just right. The number. But isn't it in the other quizzes that we've done so far? Hasn't it always been you put the decimal?
I think so. Okay, how do we?
Yeah. In question 18, like it just says just to put the number and not 0 point.
Try that. So what was 50%? Is what we said.
It's not.
For
That one was. I'm gonna put
So-
0.50 or 0.5.
Quite high. Uh-huh.
The other one that we put a number on, it wasn't asking for probability. It was asking for percentage.
Uh-huh.
That is true. Bless you.
I just broke it in half. Because I needed food before I go. And then the probability that a randomly selected student below 600.
0.684.
I got as well.
I got that too.
And probability if it's 600 or above. 6.
What
Would
did you get?
for that one?
0.316.
Okay. 3 cut out. I thought I said 1. I was like,
Almost done. This is find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile. Round to the nearest whole number. Got 388.
.388.
No.
No, it's going to be the
388.
score. Yeah, 388.
Okay.
388.
I had it weird in my had it written down, so okay.
you guys cut it out for like a whole 10 seconds there.
So for 25, we got 388.
388.
Yeah.
The first thing you said sounded like the z-score. Not the actual thing.
Then the 90th percentile.
Sorry guys, my throat's going. I'm sick, so.
Oh, sorry.
For this one, I got 697.
That's what I got.
Okay. So it says find the first quartile of the distribution of the GMAT scores. 461.
Yep.
And then the third, 624.
That's what I got.
And for the third quartile, what did you get?
624.
624. Okay. I'll make sure I didn't mix up those two because I had them written down and I still mixed them up.
Okay. Let's just consider a simple random sample of 15 students taking the GMAT. What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? It's the same, isn't it? 542.3.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's writing something down.
542.3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 30 is asking for the standard deviation.
Yeah.
We got 31.123.
Yeah, 2 decimal places.
What is the probability that the sample mean GMAT score for a simple random sample of n equals 15 students will be greater than 600?
That's 0.032.
So wait, 0.032?
Yeah, 0.032.
Okay.
0.
Okay. I'll submit mine. So for 13, there's supposed to be none of them. And the question was, what quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers and squared deviations?
Okay. And it's 16 decils. It's extradural, not the.
Oh, yeah, they'll have to explain this.
Why is it extra dural?
And
It says the smallest deviation, I believe. But also has the
Most
smallest sample size, which is part of the reason, like, what balances out more.
yeah, because the other one was only like 3.
Yeah.
Extra only has 3 samples, and the standard deviation is the smallest, while the hepatic sinus has 4, sample size is 4, and it has a slightly higher standard deviation, but not a ton.
I thought it was asking which was the most similar to the other one.
Yeah. Oh well.
Just for the smallest standard deviation.
So you calculate your numbers then, Rebecca?
They gave the chart.
Okay, so does one have a better Z score than P score? Does something like that equally?
No. I can show you later.
I'll go back and do the second attempt. Somebody tell me.
I can hear you. Somebody is setting down silverware.
I said I'll go back and do the second attempt later.
Oh god.
Sorry, my family decided that it's time to get up. And now they're all here
Wow.
eating.
I can't hear anything. What was that? What were you saying, Jacob?
Oh, I said I'll go back and do the second attempt on my own time, like what I said this morning, because
Couldn't hear you.
my internet had gone off. You know? But we all made. I still made an A on it, so it's all good.
Less than 9 now.
Yep.
Yeah.
I really wish that this didn't cut out as much. I'd really have a hard time hearing.
Yeah. Pain.
Kind of frustrating after a while.
Mm-hmm. Which hypothesis involves equality? Yeah. That's the null hypothesis last I checked, right?
That's
I believe
Yeah.
so.
Like that, I'm pretty sure. Are you guys all there? Sorry.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Sorry, going ahead.
Okay, and 4.
Mhm.
Remember the p-value probability of obtaining is at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed when computing a p-value. Which hypothesis do you assume to be true? That's the null,
Mhm.
right?
Yep. Yeah.
Which is the alternate.
So they're not equal to.
So for a two-tailed,
Yeah.
For
is the mu equals 10, right?
Yeah, not equals 10.
for 5.
We said
Equals 10. And 6 is
Is the hypothesis is the mean equals 10 or not equal 10?
So less than,
Less than.
because it's
Sorry.
left-tailed. Right?
were you
No,
asking
for
for
the
number 5 or
two-tailed.
6?
5, the two-tailed.
Oh, 5, that's equal.
That's equal. That's what I thought. I'm like, it cut out partly.
Wait a minute.
and then-
I can't hear anything anybody's saying. It's
Two-tailed
ridiculous.
test. That's not equal. isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
Because if the null hypothesis is equal to 10, any of the alternatives should be less than or greater than or not equal to is what I thought.
Yeah. That's what I meant. Sorry.
It's okay.
Mhm.
And then 6 is less than.
That's what I got.
I believe so. And the other's greater than.
Which one is less than?
This one is less than 10.
Yeah, greater than, that's right.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
If it's a p-value is less than a, that's when you reject. In failing to reject, so greater than,
Yeah, that's right.
less than, but failing to reject is greater. Right?
Mm.
Which one's greater?
When you fail to reject, so greater than A.
Yeah. Because rejecting the null hypothesis then, which is question 9. But question 8 is failing to reject, which is greater than.
And then 9 is less than or wait. I'm confused. So 8
Right.
is greater than, I know that.
8 is greater than, less than,
Okay.
if I'm correct.
I think you're right.
Yeah. Makes sense to me. An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believe that the average claim was 1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Which of the following would be appropriate alternative hypothesis?
Greater than.
Yeah.
Is it? Because the alternative is the opposite, which is the 1,500.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know.
Well, they're saying they are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. So if it's higher, then they would reject the null hypothesis. And
But when the
accept.
alternate be not equal to?
No, because it's specifically asking if it's higher.
Mm-hmm.
At least that's
Because
how
it's
I
right
read it.
skewed. Yeah.
Okay.
So the average claim is
Greater than.
yeah.
Question 11 asks for the null hypothesis, which is equal to 1,500, right?
Right, that's right.
Yeah, for sure. 40 claims. The mean is 1,650. The insurance company assumes that the distribution of sample means is normal. Is this a good assumption?
It's a large.
What's the above? Is it 30 or 50? I don't remember.
Mm-hmm.
It's above 30. Yeah.
Is it 30? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's
So
large.
it's a good assumption since the sample size is large.
Yeah.
What law or theorem justifies our answer?
Central limit.
That's what I would say as well.
Yeah.
If not, then I'll pick law of numbers on the second time around.
Which of the following is a test statistic as defined in this lesson?
Isn't it X?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first time it asked me find the test statistic, I was like, what the heck is that? And I went through the reading, and it was only answered like a couple times, and it didn't define it or anything. And I was like, okay. But I think it's the mean.
Yeah.
Well, isn't it Z? You said
That's what I was
Z,
thinking.
B.
Z?
Test
Yeah.
statistic.
Because the sample mean is X.
Well,
I'll
I'm
put Z
looking
if you
at it
say
right
so.
now.
Oh, okay.
Where Z is the test statistics, the mean is the sample mean. Yeah, the Z is the test statistic.
Okay. Z then.
Okay.
The historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is 150 with a standard deviation of 40. Suspects that the average has decreased. She sets a hypothesis test with the hypotheses that she will use a level of significance 0.35 sales receipts from her store and computes 144.
What is the Z-score? Hmm.
Standard.
Man, I'm slow. It took me a while to find the
Point.
sample size.
Is it 0.9?
Yeah, that's what I got. I don't know how we're gonna round the 3 decimal places, but
Yeah.
what is the p-value associated with this score?
Wait, on question 15, you guys got 0.9?
Mm-hmm.
If we find the Z-score, wouldn't that be
Oh, it's
144 minus 150 over the standard deviation of 40?
Divided by the square root.
What?
Divided by the square root.
Square root of,
You have to have the square root of the number of trials as well.
yeah. Yeah. My dad just heard me saying that out loud as I'm talking to myself, kind of, and he corrected me there.
Okay, I got it now. You guys got 0.93 decimals? So I got 0.899.
Yeah, just
I
0.9.
technically got negative 0.9.
yeah,
I did too.
that's important, you know.
Is it negative?
Mm-hmm.
Because it falls under.
What?
Should be. Okay, like.
I know why you're not.
Okay. If you guys are going to chat, outside. I'm almost done. Okay. And the P value would be like 0.6319, so 0.632.
Isn't it the opposite? It's 0.38. 0.368, sorry.
Okay.
It's on the outside, right?
I think so.
She's trying to get the one that decreased. What was it again?
68.
Sorry, you cut out.
0.368.
No, it would be half of that, actually.
Isn't it on either side?
Yes, but her,
She's asking if it decreased.
yeah,
So it's just one side then?
Yeah, it's just one side then, is what I would think.
It would be 0.184.
Yeah. That's what I'm going for. Thank you.
So 0.184 then?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's it.
Okay.
Is it reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject the null hypothesis?
0.05.
The p-value less than a. Wait, no. It's greater than,
So it'd be fail to reject, wouldn't it?
right? Yeah, fail to reject. And then we have insufficient evidence that the is less than 150.
That's what I would put.
Okay.
So question 19 is talking about the errors. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
That's a type 1, isn't it?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So the researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of 0.05, he will use 0.01. Which of the following will be true?
The probability of a type 2 error will increase.
Yeah.
Yep.
Type 1 went down, that other one went up.
If alpha equals 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error.
It was like 5%. So 0.05, right?
I think so.
Yeah, because there's a 1 in 20 chance then.
Mm-hmm.
The two decimal places, we have 0.05.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how we did.
Not all right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So,
Thursday?
Awesome. Thursday, same time?
Yep.
yeah, I don't
Good with that.
think they've got a wedding at that time.
Yeah.
That's
So,
right.
Have fun with that.
I'll try. But yeah.
I will
So I got
email.
some-
I'll email the link later today because we gotta go. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Good job, guys.
Great. Bye,
See you
guys.
Thursday.
Bye.